Diri sa Camellia Turil, there are 6 model houses nga pwede ninyo ma-acquire through bank financing. Let's go! Everyone, that's Isabel. Ang minimum required income is 93,210. Reservation fee is 20,000 pesos. Next, we have Bella. Ang minimum required income is 120,826. Reservation fee is 30,000 pesos. Everyone say hello to Cara. Required income is 140,666. Reservation fee is 30,000 pesos. Kung naatay Bella, naapod tay Ella, ang iyang minimum required income is 176,086. Reservation fee is 50,000 pesos. And there's Danny. Ang iyang minimum required income is 161,330. Reservation fee is 30,000 pesos. Actually, naapay duha ka model houses nga wala na ako napakita sa video. Ako lang na siya ibutang sa comment section. By the way, I'm John, usa sa mga trusted real estate agents diri sa Davao City, and I am from SVF Realty. Bye!